In this video, we will review HopToDesk. HopToDesk is a free, remote desktop software that enables users to access and control computers across various platforms. This includes Windows, Mac, Linux, Android and more. It aims to provide a secure, user-friendly and cross-platform remote access solution for both individuals and businesses. The software is lightweight and allows users to interact remote sessions without any extensive installation process. It supports an end-to-end encryption, ensuring that users actively remain private and secure. HopToDesk is completely free for both personal and business needs under the Fair Usage policy. This plan is to introduce business platforms with additional features and competitive prices in the future. HopToDesk is genuinely positive. On Trustpilot, the platform holds a 4.1 out of 5 rating, and many users say it's great. While the website domain is great, many users find that its functionality is even better. Overall, HopToDesk presents itself as a viable and secure option for remote desktop access, allowing a free solution with potential and future enhancements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.